to present this program before you nicely and properly, I'm Mr. Dorikul Islam
and Arjan Akhtar. From a long time, we face the problem of the pandemic situation, coronavirus. So we cannot meet long time this way. We want to restore our educational family bonding. We shall go to PM College, the Department of English Literature and Language. What we today we meet at this place. Let's start our program. We have got items on this program, and we can manage these items as that.
Number first, we can decorate the items. Number first is recitation in the Holy Quran. Mr. Habibur Rahman get prepared.
Number two, introducing ourselves. This one with background, educational and address, and for which we choose this Department of English Literature and Language, and and this is the main focus of our program.
Then we taken the spontaneous performance that will be more interesting to all.
We decorate this spontaneous performance as well, singing including Islamic and secular songs, drama or koutuk, single drama.
Then we decorate the obligate or compulsory program that we have to perform.